Did you know that in China, there are farms where not a single human steps foot? And the same drone technology used in the military is now being used to grow rice. Agriculture has always been humanity's oldest profession, but what's happening in China today goes far beyond anything we've seen before. From machines that plant trees across deserts at impossible speeds, to robots that detect and incinerate weeds individually without touching a single crop, China has transformed food production into an operation with military-level precision. Today, I'll show you the 8 most impressive and intense agricultural machines China is using right now. And trust me, the last one will completely change the way you think about how food reaches your plate. Number 1. Titan Swarm. We start in the sky. When you think of drones, you probably imagine little gadgets for photos. Forget that. China has deployed fleets of drones like the Agris T-60 that look like they came straight out of a war zone. These aren't just flying machines, they're heavy lifters capable of carrying 50 to 60 kilos of seeds or pesticides, distributing them with pinpoint precision. With binocular vision and phased array radar, these drones see in 4D, dodging cables, trees, and obstacles even at night. And one operator can control an entire swarm from a tablet. Tasks that once took 20 people a full day are now done in 10 minutes without touching the ground. This is total militarization of the field. Number 2. The Meat Tower. This isn't just a machine, it's a living system. Imagine a 26-story apartment building. Now remove the humans and fill it with 650,000 pigs. On the outskirts of Yizhou, China has built the world's largest vertical meat farm. Every detail is controlled by AI, monitoring temperature, ventilation, and delivering 500 tons of feed daily through 30,000 automated feeding points. Even waste is converted into electricity. Pigs move via industrial elevators and live in filtered air to prevent viruses. Critics call it a dystopian prison. For China, it's economic survival. Civil engineering applied to biology. Number 3. Electric Hercules. Look at this tractor. No cabin, no steering wheel, no seat. The ET100 and its YTO variants declare one thing: humans are no longer necessary. Resembling a lunar vehicle, this electric monster uses 5G and satellite GPS to follow plow lines with less than 2 centimeters error. It can turn on its axis, lift heavy plows, and operate 24/7, running on fast-charging batteries or hydrogen fuel cells. Obstacles? Its AI reacts in milliseconds. Silent, clean, and precise, it's the end of the tractor driver. Only programmers are needed now. Number 4. The Weed Sniper. Spraying chemicals over entire fields is the past. China has brought military tech to weed control. Laser weeding robots scan the ground in real time using high-resolution cameras. When a weed is detected, a concentrated laser incinerates it instantly, leaving the crop untouched. Precision farming at its most brutal. No chemicals, no soil contamination, just surgical accuracy over hectares of land. Number 5. The Desert Devourer. The Gobi Desert is China's enemy, advancing and swallowing land. To fight it, all-terrain planting robots have been deployed. These machines drill into compacted sand, plant seedlings with biodegradable water-retaining structures, and cover them in seconds. Synced with weather data, they plant seeds at the optimal depth for survival. Thousands of seedlings are planted daily, turning barren deserts into green landscapes. This is engineering fighting climate change. Number 6. Kaiju Harvester. Harvest time is all about speed. Lovel's mega harvesters devour wheat and corn at insane rates. These machines monitor grain flow, adjusting threshing speed to avoid losses. They coordinate with autonomous trucks to unload without stopping. Hundreds of tons move in perfect harmony, a mechanical ballet ensuring grain reaches storage before rain strikes. Number 7. The Fruit Surgeon. Harvesting delicate fruits like apples, tomatoes, or strawberries has always been tricky. Too much force and the fruit is ruined, too little and it falls.
China solved this with bionic manipulators that mimic human hands but work at industrial speed. Using stereoscopic 3D vision, these robots map trees, detect ripe fruits, and pluck them gently. They even learn, adapting if they fail. Greenhouses now rely on robots instead of temporary workers, delivering bruise-free fruit to stores. Number 8. The magic rice carpet. Rice planting used to be back-breaking work. Now it's a Formula One race. High-speed autonomous transplanters glide over flooded fields, planting rice shoots at millimeter precision. Baidu navigation ensures perfectly straight lines, while sensors adjust depth in real time based on mud density. A job that once took a whole village for weeks is now done by one machine, while the farmer relaxes in the shade with tea. From swarms of drones to skyscraper meat farms, China has replaced humans with machines. This isn't a futuristic plan, it's happening right now. While much of the world still sees agriculture as a relic, China has made it a high-precision, zero-mercy industry. What do you think? Is this extreme automation the answer to world hunger, or are we heading towards a future where we won't even know which machine printed our food? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if this glimpse into China's agricultural tech blew your mind, hit like and subscribe, because the next video takes things even further.